Hello, my name is Benedito, and at the end of this video you will know some tips for digital arts and a helpful exercise for beginners. We are going to talk about hard brushes and soft brushes. Okay, so when you're a beginner, you usually like to use this brush, and this brush at the right scares you a lot because it looks hard to shade with it. The problem is, you probably use this brush on the whole image, and it makes the image look really muddy, and it's probably not what you want. So, I'm going to show you an exercise so you can start using this brush. So this image I'm showing, I only used the hard brush, and it was a warm-up for a painting that I did. It was this painting. But that is still not the exercise. The real challenge is, even though you only use the hard brush, you don't change the size of the brush. This is an example that I did. This was in 2017, when I started drawing. You don't want to make a masterpiece, it's just practice. You can pick colors, but it's easier with black and white. So I'm going to show you more examples. This one, I think I probably choose color a lot, but don't over exaggerate. This one as well, picked color probably. The cool thing about this exercise is, I can guarantee a slight improvement when you do another painting, but this time while changing the size of the brush, like this one. If you check any improvement or have any questions, comment below and I'll try to answer. Now I'm going to show you a practice painting from start to finish with only the hard brush, and changing the size of the brush. And I'll give some small tips in there. So let's go! Right now, I'm just making the general big shapes, the shape of the hair, face, and neck. One small tip is, notice I don't zoom too much on the canvas, if at all. It helps you not to focus on the details and focus on the bigger picture and composition. While zoomed out, you can see where things are not working in the painting. Another tip is flipping the canvas. It gives your eyes a new look on your painting and you can see what's not working so much. I instantly noticed the line of the face was wrong and the eyes and nose needed adjustments. I usually flip the canvas at least 2 to 3 times in a painting. When you fix the painting in the flip side, it really helps it, as you're going to see. I did this in about 1 hour and a half. When you get used to this, then you can start playing around with fancy brushes. And that's it. Hope you learned something today. See you in the next video. On a side note, I created a Patreon. This is my first image there. You can get my brushes, illustrations, my PSD files, and get progress videos in real time. Link is in the description.